New video of Study Shades Academy. Here today I am going to tell you about ICSE class 9th chemistry, structure of atom and chemical bonding. So here I have written at least 5 to 6 questions that are important for your upcoming test as well as for your upcoming annual exam. So now let's go back to the question. Our question number 1 is, here we have to define the following: what is atomic number, what is mass number, what is electron, what is isotope, what is isobar, and what is noble gas. Now we have question number 2. Explain the name of the scientist who discovered electron, proton, neutron as well as nucleus. Now back to the question number 3. Here we have to find the difference between stable and unstable configuration. The next question is the difference between duplet and octet rule. And what is the difference between atomic number and mass number? Most important, atomic number और mass number किससे denote किया जाता है, इसका भी ध्यान रखना. Now back to the next question. It is name the following atom having zero valency. The second question is 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Next question is shell which is closest to the nucleus of an atom. Now the next question is, here we have to draw the geometric atomic structure of carbon, sodium, phosphorus, calcium. Now the last question of this topic is, here state the main postulates of Dalton atomic theory, and we have to explain how molecular atomic theory contradict with Dalton atomic theory. By completing these chapters, you can at least get 80% of questions from 80% of the questions in your upcoming test. And chapter of chemistry class 9th hydrogen, we are having following set of questions. So please prepare these questions for your upcoming test as well as for your annual exams, because most of the questions that you will be getting in your exams from this set of questions only. So back to the question number 1. What is laboratory method for the preparation of hydrogen? First question is for the laboratory method, and the second question is, what is the industrial method that is used, that is Bosch process, that is used for the preparation of hydrogen. In both question number 1 and question number 2, we have to write the reaction, we have to write the reactant used, collection and purification of hydrogen. And in question number 2, what are the additional things that you have to learn? Here you have to learn about temperature as well as the catalyst that used for the industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen. These two questions are very important questions. Please go through these questions. Now the question number 3 is, name the following. How will you define hydrogenation, metallurgy, flames which are used for welding and cutting, and redox reaction? Similarly, now the question number 4 is, why hydrogen is collected by downward displacement of water? Why hydrogen is collected by downward displacement of water only, and how hydrogen is purified? The next set of question is, name the gas which burn in air or oxygen to form water. What are the oxidation and the reduction reaction? Separate reactions for oxidation and separate reaction for reduction. And from the test paper number 6, you have to write question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. These are the important questions, as well as the last question of this topic is, here you have to give the balance equation of zinc fillings when it is added to the concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide. So by this, please go through these 2 chapters and do well. All the best and thank you, and keep supporting us and keep